Let's play the guessing game. Which car repair is very easy, yet confusing for some reason? Well, it's wiper blades, of course. I don't know how to do this. Let's figure out these wiper blades together on this 2002 Toyota RAV4. You know, I think these are still good, and changing them's hard, so I'll just give up. Just kidding. Push the wiper blade down to release it from the metal arm. The new wiper blade comes with a lot of stuff in the box. We have some plastic things in bags, some paper, and finally the wiper. These are adapters, and there's a big instruction sheet. I'm a man, so I definitely don't need instructions. Actually, I don't want any of that crap. Open the door on the new wiper blade, and you'll see the curved plastic that matches the shape of the wiper arm. Line up the plastic piece inside the curved metal piece and pull it away from the car until it snaps into place. That one is done. The right wiper blade is 19 inches long. Move the wiper blade to expose the mounting hardware. This one is stuck, so I'm releasing the clip by breaking it. That's fine. Push the wiper blade toward the car to release it, then take it off. Open the door on the new wiper and place it on the wiper arm with the door facing away from the car. It will snap into place. And that one is done. Moving on to the back of the car, we have a 12-inch wiper blade. Move the blade until it makes a snapping sound, then pull it away from the arm. The new wiper blade goes back on the same way. Whew, that had me thoroughly confused. But now I can drive around in the rain, and so can you. Thanks for watching.